Welcome to our channel where we explore the latest trends and technologies. Today, we're going to take a closer look at Rigetti Forest QDK, which is a powerful development kit designed specifically for programming Rigetti's quantum computers. Before we dive into Rigetti Forest QDK, let's briefly talk about quantum computing. Quantum computing is a new paradigm of computing that takes advantage of the principles of quantum mechanics to perform computations that classical computers can't handle. Quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously, to perform complex calculations. Now, let's talk about Rigetti Forest QDK. Rigetti Forest QDK is a development kit designed specifically for programming Rigetti's quantum computers. It includes a number of tools and resources to help developers get started with quantum computing, including a quantum programming language, a simulator, and access to Rigetti's quantum computers. One of the key features of Rigetti Forest QDK is its ease of use. It includes a number of tools and resources to help developers get started with quantum computing, even if they have no previous experience with quantum computing. It also includes a powerful quantum programming language called Quill, which is based on the Python programming language. So, what are some of the applications of Rigetti Forest QDK? Well, Rigetti Forest QDK can be used to develop quantum algorithms for a wide range of problems, including optimization, machine learning, and cryptography. It's particularly well-suited for developing algorithms for gate-based quantum computers. If you're interested in exploring the world of quantum computing with Rigetti Forest QDK, getting started is easy. The kit is open source, and you can download it from the Rigetti website. There are also a number of tutorials and examples available to help you get started. However, it's important to note that quantum computing is still in its early stages, and there are a number of challenges that need to be overcome before it can be used in production environments. For example, quantum computers are very sensitive to their environment, and even small changes in temperature or electromagnetic fields can cause errors in computations. Despite these challenges, quantum computing holds a lot of promise for solving some of the most complex problems in the world. And Rigetti Forest QDK, as a development kit designed specifically for programming Rigetti's quantum computers, is a key tool in helping developers unlock the potential of this exciting new technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.